welcome to my first vlog. Decided to come out here to High Mountain. I wanted to get a chill ride in, get some practice with some technical stuff, so I wanted to find some rocks, and this is the place to do it. It's pretty great. I chose a 15-mile loop, some black diamond sections. You can see it right here, and so far, it's pretty good. The red lot was full when I got here, so I had to park at the Franklin Lakes Preserve. I recommend trying to get here kind of early in the day. It's interesting how there's all this outcropping here, like heading towards the top of the mountain, like the bedrock is starting to come through, so you're basically just riding on rock. There's very little dirt. Yeah, see, here's another one of those sections where there's outcropping. There's like rock slabs.
Nice.
Here at the summit, if you look really closely, you can see the New York skyline in the distance. This section is really steep, but thanks to the GoPro effect, it looks pretty lame. But I was, kind of giving my bike the, trying to keep it steady going down. Because I parked at the lakes, I did have a hard time staying on the loop because the loop actually starts on the Red Trail parking lot. So, right here I missed a turn, and I basically kind of had to ride off the loop for a bit to get back onto it. Yeah, at this point I'm back on the loop.
Ooh, all right. There we go. This is what I'm looking for right here. There we go. Nice. There we go.
Yeah, thanks again to the GoPro effect. It doesn't show how steep and rocky this section truly is.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Like, I rode, a standard 100 mil cross-country bike here. Definitely doable. There's nothing this bike couldn't handle here. I have a dropper, but definitely a trail bike would have probably performed a little bit better, a little bit easier on the bones.
I'll pass you here on the left. Thank you.
This section really has that North Jersey chunk that really just kind of stops any momentum that you have. You have to really muscle your way through it. We don't have anything like this in central New Jersey. You have to come to North Jersey for it. Overall, I love this place. I think, you know, this proves that you don't have to live in Bentonville or Colorado to get some really good riding in. This is, I mean, literally at the top of the hill, I could see New York City. It's great, and I think, you know, more people should ride there. I only encountered just a couple riders, and this was on a weekend day. So it definitely has the capacity to hold riders, even though at the mountain biking parking lot was completely full. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this first vlog. And no matter where you live, find a place and rip it.